Hi there, this is Maggie from Rock Paper Copy, and this is free audit of the website directory purifier.com. I'm on the home page, and I really like that you're showing your product in the hero image. It is very easy to establish what you're selling, so this is a really user-friendly approach, perfect for the conversion, right? The name is in the logo, is in the URL, is in the top menu, in the tagline. The product shows in the tagline, perfect. I will just hyperlink this image so it links to the product page, other call to action such as shop now, so people know that they can click the image and go to your collection, go to your product and shop, which will further improve your conversion rate. The call to action and obviously the benefits are explained here, and you've got call to action button linked to collections, which is perfect. The titles are very SEO friendly. The featured products look great as well. I would I would avoid having all items on sale because the deal is that doesn't feel that genuine if all of the items are on sale. At the same time, make sure to have only up to 10-20% of all items on sale at any time. And obviously these are limited time sales, so make sure to remove the discount after a while. So next time people visit you, they act on the sale and they buy because they know and they trust that the discounts are genuine. Okay, so featured products for air humidifiers, also very nicely optimized title. Now only 2 items are on sale, so this is much better. The product titles are really SEO friendly as well, which is good. This is nice, nice addition. So explaining, do you really need humidifier, or do you need humidifier? And obviously, if someone has got those issues, they know that they can solve them with humidifier. So this is perfect. I'll just add call to action at the end, link into your product, so to dehumidifiers. This featured image, as you can see, the text, the frame of the text is cut off, and the image looks quite blurry. So think about optimizing the image. Use higher quality, higher resolution image, and obviously make sure to display the image in the way that the frame is visible. The footer is nicely organized. I'll just add a contrasting background to the footer so it stands out a little bit more. The collection page looks great. I'll just add air purifier so it's obviously plural form. Again, I mentioned sale, don't have all items on sale, but I've already mentioned that, so I won't repeat it. However, make sure not to make this mistake. The product page looks great. Add to cart is displayed above default. You've got variants or different colors. I'll just switch the color of the product of the image on the variant so people can see how each image looks like. So obviously it will also improve your conversion rate. Add longer product descriptions. You only include fast shipping information here. However, people would want to know how it works, what kind of benefits do they get. So obviously, people would be interested in more information. Don't just put it in as the images. Because some people browse with images switched off, and obviously written description will be much better for your SEO, because Google doesn't read images, doesn't scan images, so it can only access written text. The related products look great and they're relevant to the actual product, which is excellent. I would also add more trust signals such as about us, contact us, shipping policy, and returns policy. These are important trust signals. People will want to know this information before going ahead with the order. So having these policies clearly displayed in the store with plenty of info will help you improve your sales further. Your SEO score is 49 out of 100, which is definitely room for improvement. The meta title, meta description, so Google snippet is not defined, so make sure to optimize these. You are missing H1 tags, and the tags are not in the right order, so remember to add them. Keyword consistency, remember to work on the right keywords, have the right keywords in your content to help you rank for those and attract traffic from Google. Remember to optimize images with SEO-friendly alt tags. They help Google bots understand what's in each image, which improves your SEO. And also remember to add Google Analytics, integrate with your website. It's a great and free tool to track your traffic and see where your traffic is coming from and analyze where your sales are also coming from. I hope you liked this audit. If you did, please leave a positive review on my Trustpilot profile. The link is in the email. And if you'd like to learn how to fix the issues mentioned in the audit, please book a free chat. This 15-minute chat is available for everyone who got our audit. So you can ask a Shopify expert any questions about the conversion rate, about SEO, about fixing the traffic issues. So don't miss this opportunity. Book the free chat now. If you like this video, please hit the like button and subscribe to my YouTube channel for more awesome tips.